Welcome to PrometAI. Today, let's take a closer look at directional risks. As you get started, navigate to the Risks and Strategy section in the entrepreneur's journey. Then, click Directional Risks from the top toolbar and open the Regulatory Risks and Strategic Risks tools. First, PrometAI analyzes the regulatory and legal risks related to your field, indicating the level of risk tolerance and the area affected. It also provides a clear description of each risk along with a suggested mitigation strategy. Next, it covers strategic risks. Here again, PrometAI presents a clear explanation of each risk and gives guidance on how to handle it. You can also add more possible risks by clicking Add More. A clearer view of directional risks with PrometAI.